Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Record-breaking dry season rainfalls have flooded numerous catchments across Queensland in the past 24 hours. The northern half of the state should start seeing an improvement from tomorrow, but southern areas can expect at least 2 more days of miserable, blustery wet weather. Paluma clocked up almost 200 millimetres of rain overnight, and Charters, Towers and Bambaroo both had 123 mils, each of them a record for May. Ingham had 114, Townsville and Ayr 102 mils. Overcast skies always reduce the daily temperature range by keeping the ground warm at night, but blocking out the sun by day. Townsville's top today was only 23 degrees. Looking at the satellite loop now, the upper level low, which you won't see on any charts, is now in full swing. It's basically centred over North Tropical Queensland, and it's raising an enormous amount of moist air, which over many, many days has been accumulating from the ocean, and it's dumping it as an incredible deluge of rain across very large areas of Queensland, especially in the tropics. On today's chart on the surface, you can see this shadow. It's a trough line which sort of represents the back edge of the upper level low. It's producing most of the uplift force and it's converging into another trough. So there's troughs all over the place and incredibly moist air feeding into those troughs, rising to form rain. Tomorrow's chart, notice how the trough starts to tilt, so will the upper level system. That will make the heavier rain shrink southwards. It starts to clear out from the north, but there'll still be severe thunderstorms. Then on the outlook chart, again the trough moves south. The heavy rain is now over southern parts of Queensland, eventually breaking up for the weekend. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters. The small ships warning continues for driving onshore winds up to 30 knots straight off the Pacific with rough season swells, but easing rapidly on Friday. Tomorrow's first tide will be an early morning high, and there's a second high tide due around sunset. The next full moon's due on Monday, so the range isn't too big just yet. Herbert and Lower Burdekin, multiple flood warnings current, including the Horton, which is in major flood. Showers and possible severe storms tomorrow. Townsville 29 degrees, 28 for Ayr, Ingham 29 again. For the northern Goldfields and upper Flinders, we've got showers and possible severe storms again, 26 for Charters, Towers and Georgetown at 29 degrees. Looking ahead for Townsville, rain clearing by Friday, though lots of cloud lingering into the weekend before showers return next week. Top temperatures waffling around the 30-degree mark. Well, that's me for this evening. Thanks again for your loyal patronage to 7 Local Weather, and please tune in again tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Luke, thank you very much. Thanks for your company, folks. We'll catch you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us, good night.
Good night.